Hi everyone, my name is Yuri Nartov and I'm a competitive ballroom dancer. Today, I want to share with you some of the makeup tips that I have that will bring your competition look to the next level. Now before I do that, you know I have to say it, click on that button, wherever it is, just subscribe, you'll receive great videos from me sometimes next year. If you're part of this fascinating ballroom dancing world, you know that the most important thing is the entrance on the dance floor. Even before the dancing starts, people have an impression, judges have an impression, the audience has an impression, your competitors around you have an impression. So what you want to do is you want to look great. That is why makeup is actually one of the most important things. I was able to connect with a company called MÖNAJI, and it's a men's makeup company that provides ballroom ready makeup that is efficient and effective on the floor. Now, I came up with two different sets, one skincare routine, one competition ready routine, and today I'll share with you my competition ready routine. So I like my makeup fast, reliable, without sacrificing quality. And we know that as ballroom dancers, we take half of our home with us, packaged in so many suitcases. Well, this makeup, it can all be packaged into this one bag. And I like to take it into carry-on and not worry too much about it. So first, though, we have to take care of the hair. First, you gotta get rid of any potential hairspray you got near the hairline or your sideburns. So I just wipe it with a damp cloth here. Good. Some of you might put moisturizer first if that is better for your skin. The great thing about MÖNAJI Camo Concealer is that it's super easy to use and you essentially end up just drawing on your skin. I like that because it eliminates any of the brushes that I need to use. This is my contouring. So I go along the cheek. Do the neck. So this is definitely heavy on one of the Camo concealers. So I make sure I have this color in abundance. Make sure I have a little bit on the ear. The next one I choose a much lighter one, the lightest one, and I draw a T. If you have not drawn a T on your face, have you even applied makeup? So draw a T. Excellent. Now the rest is all about blending. And if I feel that I need a little bit more color somewhere where maybe I have some breakouts, I'll just add a little bit more. Also, you can, if you're contouring a little bit more, you can add just a little darker where the light is not gonna hit, and keep blending it. And last but not least, I'm gonna add some powder so it helps it stick. And I'm using this anti-shine powder. For those of you who have facial hair and you want to calm it down, MÖNAJI has this the fix, which you can use, and I'm going to use it for eyebrow. Excellent. Now ready to compete. If your lips get dry, as sometimes mine do at the competition floor, depending on humidity, I add MÖNAJI lip balm. That is excellent. There's a little bit of mint. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Do check out MÖNAJI. It's a great company. They offer a variety of products that you will love. They're very environmentally friendly. They're vegan based. And I hope you really enjoy it. Check out, I linked their information down below. And have a good one.